In this video I will teach you the Cowboy self-rescue. Hold your paddle with one hand and release with your other. Keep calm and try not to rush your movements. It's very important to hold your paddle and don't let the kayak float away. If not, you will be lost at sea. Swim to the bow of your kayak and then lift your kayak upright with both your hands. This will empty the cockpit for some water while flipping it over. Place your paddle in the cockpit. Secure a good grip of the cockpit rim with one hand and reach across the kayak with the other. Swim with your legs and pull yourself up with a little force. Stay as low as possible and keep one leg in the water on either side. This helps stabilizing you. Slide forward, keeping low, and get a grip of the cockpit rim. Pull yourself forward until you are over the cockpit opening. Drop into the seat and pull your legs in, using your paddle for support. This self-rescue is very effective, and with a little practice it's easier than you might suspect. Keep safe, be happy, and paddle on.